Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see, ano yung energy sa inyo, energy update. Second half ng August 16 to 31, 2026. General reading, pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Aquarius. What's the energy? Patience is a virtue. Intuition. Oh, 222. Tuma-timing. Oo. So, Aquarius, ngayong second half ng August, you will listen to your instinct and your intuition. No? Hindi ka lang basta magbabase sa sinasabi ng ibang tao or anything logical or practical, but you are also aligning yourself sa instincts mo bago ka mag-take ng action. So, kumbaga, pinag-iisipan mong maigi. Hindi ka basta-basta magpapadalos-dalos. Overall energy, you have the World. Challenge is the Hangman. Okay. Kasi kailangan natin takpan. Baka ma-flag. Your opportunity is the Ace of Wands and the blessing is the Knight of Swords. So, as an overall energy, you have the World. So, this is about rewards. No? Rewards sa iyong mga efforts. Mga binigay mong efforts. Mga trabaho. Mga inexert mo na efforts and ideas. This is also about being successful sa isang proyekto na nagawa mo. So it's about you reaping the rewards. Now your challenge is the Hangman. Maaring may mga times na nagdududa ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. May mga times na parang feeling mo you're not good enough. But you are. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng imposter syndrome na parang inisip nyo, is this really me? Ito ba talaga? Kaya ko ba talaga to? Totoo ba itong ginagawa ko? But, you know, ang importante kasi is you believe in yourself. Yun ang importante, naniniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Now, your opportunity is about a beginning, a new beginning. Exciting new beginnings. Pwedeng sa career path mo to, or you are finally taking action, gumagawa ka na ng action ngayon, hindi ka na nagpo-procrastinate, na parang you're just, kung dati lagi mo lang iniisip, sige gagawin ko to, but you're not really doing it. So I think ngayon, mag-take a step ka na. Now your blessing is the Knight of Swords. You can work under pressure. Maaring kung meron mang conflict, issue, problema around you this time, you will be able to sort it out. Maayos mo siya through conversations, talking to the right people. Money, career, finances, you have the Hierophant. This is about learning. Pwedeng merong mentor na tutulong sa'yo, mag-guide sa'yo para sa iyong purpose or para sa kung anumang mga plano mo, goals mo in your career, your money, your finances. Your love life is the Page of Swords. So this is about communication. So sa relationship, napaka-importante that you are communicating well with your partner or someone na mahal mo sa buhay. It's also speaking your truth, being true to yourself. Sa mga view, kung single, pwedeng meron kayong makikilala online. Just be careful, no? Kilalaning maigi bago magdesisyon ng mga bagay na medyo seryoso at mabigat para sa connection na yan. Sun, paint the sun back into your sky. This is about, parang bumabalik uli yung sigla mo. Na mag-explore, to have fun, bumabalik na yung liwanag ng iyong isip. So, nagkakaroon ka ng clarity about what you really want to do, kung saang direction ang gusto mong puntahan. So, this is good. May iba sa inyo, may binabalikan kayong libangan na dati isa ng tabi nyo kasi maaring wala kayong oras. So, ngayon may oras na kayo para doon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.